Some of you guys may know about this trick, but if you didn't know, if you have an updated car, so anything made in 2020, doesn't matter which make it is, anything made in 2020 and beyond, since it's becoming standard for these vehicles to have safety features and lane keep assistance, the new updated cruise control does feel more like a self-drive option. So we all know in the older version of cruise control, you don't have to press on the gas pedal. So with this update, you don't have to press on the gas pedal and you don't have to hold the steering wheel for long periods of time. You only have to slightly touch the steering wheel just so it can feel the heat of your hand to let the vehicle know you're there. And also, if someone is ahead of you, your vehicle will detect that and slow down and speed up based on the distance. Now, this is more like driver assistance, so I highly recommend that we only use this on the highway. Don't try to use it on busy roads or if the highway is busy. So I'm gonna show you an example of me trying to exit the highway and get off a ramp. I don't know if you can tell, but the car doesn't know to slow down. If you have a Tesla or something like that, you actually have more features, but for just standard vehicles, we just have this driver assistance. But still, it's pretty neat that a lot of our vehicles can do this. So I tried this out on my road trip during the holidays and it came in handy on my long 11 hours drive. Hopefully it helps you guys out, man, but if you're interested in informational videos around everyday tech and products, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.